Nigeria people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. Some group we call themselves for Yoruba Nation Youth don't talk say they not agree, say they don't want any planning to introduce Sharia law or Sharia court for inside Southwest. As they come they talk, say they ready to defend their ancestral land against any attempt to bring Sharia law into Southwest. This young widow where her husband don't move by, where her name be Uba Princess Chidima, don't come out to come the yarn, say her late husband brothers say they pursue her come out from inside her house. Come lock the house during where we say she come out. Now so they come carry some omilabos they go bust inside the house. Come beat all her workers and also her younger sister. Come use another key to lock the house. As she come they talk say they come collect the document or the house where say she and her husband built together. But later she come go report they give a call about police. We make a call about police. She come arrest one of them. Now so that one come open the house back. As they call about police come warn them. Say may they not try to disturb her again. This worry pastor don't come provoke who can't carry loudspeaker as in come they swear they pray. Say anybody wey tiftalize in chicken wey worth 30,000 naira. Say the person go poof by you. As in come they talk. Say enough is enough. Say for inside this compact. Say lie. Anybody wey say na him thief that in Christmas chicken. Say something must happen to the person.
That fowl is 30,000 naira. You that see the person that carry the fowl, you who born the child, and you who they carry the fowl inside the house. 12 midnight, you will die unless you carry the fowl back.
Amen.
In this compound.
Yes, sir.
They don't arrest 5 secondary school students of Ejoku Community Grammar School for inside Oyo State. Say because they join body go for snack because of one female student who just entered the school and they corner the girl for one bush road to come drag her. They enter inside bush. That's all of them come join body. They force nag the girl workers. Now be small something as plenty people that don't call escape moving after one motor wey carry plenty bag of rice. Then one try come cross railway. Now so the motor can't go hook for the railway track. We make sure where the wrong come hit the motor, and this begin happen for Iju Fagba area of Lagos State. But thank God, say nobody by or wunjo for on top this begin wey happen on Tuesday, December 24th, 2024. NAFDAC don't discover one way as we dey for Akpangba Okeari market after we they receive information say that way as say that they sell unregistered food product and are the goods then we worth about 3 billion naira. Now in the can't destroy all the goods there. The human rights lawyer will be Dele Farotimi after we say they release and come out for inside Ekiti State Prison last week Friday. As in come out, they thank all the people that will say they join body, take support them. Can also come they talk. Say he not hate anybody and he not they try talk anything against anybody. Say because everything we saying yan for on top the book we say right. Say all of them not true. Plenty Nigerians that don't come they hate the Ogbonge Nigerian musician will be David Adeleke aka Davido. After we they say for on top this video when he go they hug Burna Boy Mama as in with Burna Boy Mama come they greet each other. During where we say they go meet for the all-white Christmas party where Ogbonge billionaire will be Tony Elimelu organized. Ogbonge fire don't catch Bovas petrol station for inside Olukunle Olodo Ibadan Oyo State as the fire come burn plenty things them and properties them. This began happen on Monday, December 23rd, 2024. For on top this video, we say that see plenty hungry Nigerians. The all of them go line up for road will lead to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu house where they for inside Bodilon, Ikoyi, Lagos State during this celebration period. Ekalama police don't arrest one man wey name be Efe Onetiyi, 30 years old, we go kidnap him friend wey name be Paulinus Okono for inside Okutuku for Ugeli Delta State. Come later, come move by that friend, cutting head take komoto. After we seen dog collect 30 million naira from Paulinus, come use the money, take go they build house and also use the remaining ones there, use and take buy land for inside Delta State. Azerbaijan airline don come for crash and the plane carry 72 people there for inside wey fall come go hit the ground of the fireball on December 25, 2024. As this gbege happen for inside Kyrgyzstan, 29 people there now they survive this plane crash while they rush plenty of the people them they go hospital, but we never really know the number of people that we say they move by or wunjo for on top this plane crash. The Bonga Hollywood actor will be Denzel Washington, 69 years old, don come give him life to Christ during the weekend, and they baptize him for inside the Kelly Temple Church of God in Christ for inside New York City, United States of America.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.